What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. Very excited to make today's video. Not only do we have to talk about XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, the S&P 500, we're also going to be picking the crypto coin display giveaway winner, so that's very exciting too. Also yesterday we had made a video talking about finding the breakout point on XRP, how we had found it, and it was only just a couple of hours before we see takeoff or blast off within the price. And as you guys can clearly see right now, XRP did do that exact same thing. Tracking that breakout, we exploded to the upside here, about 6% currently on the 4-hour charts, but this is a huge buy-in opportunity, leveraging it off our bottom support levels, moving averages, as well as just being, retesting oversold. This is a good opportunity to buy in and leverage to the upside here. So we're going to be trying to find how high the target level is, where exactly we could be heading to, so on and so forth, and then what's to come next. As you guys know, we are still looking at Bitcoin's, massive pennant flag formation, so that's exciting. We do have to check this out too. And obviously, you guys know you can enter the crypto coin display for next week. All you have to do is comment your favorite cryptocurrency down below, as well as comment subscribed. That's it. Just do those two things. And lastly, today's video was brought to us by Horizon Protocol. So for more information about this DeFi platform that's facilitating the creation of on-chain synthetic assets representing the real economy, you can also see you can receive a very high APY of over 150% by staking on this. More information about it will be at the end of today's video for you guys to check out. I've also linked them down in the description below for you to check out as well if you don't want to wait till the end of today's video. Otherwise, guys, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, and let's dive into today's episode. All right, so it is that time. We are going to be picking the crypto coin display giveaway winner. As you guys can see, I picked a video from last week and I filtered the duplicate users, people that are spam or commenting random crap, numerous times. We have over 110 unique comments, 119 to be exact. And I did the picking and we are currently seeing the winner right now, Richard Bokai. Hopefully I'm pronouncing your last name right. If you are here, definitely make sure to send me an email to cryptotvofficial@gmail.com. Send me your account, your YouTube account, just so I can verify that this is you. Click the top right of your YouTube profile and screenshot that and send that to me, as well as your address and phone number so I can send this over to you and include tracking. Very excited. Shout out to Richard for winning this week's giveaway, but more importantly, diving into today's video. As you guys can see, we made a video yesterday that says XRP Ripple, don't miss this breakout. XRP and Bitcoin are forming their next big mega pump right now, and I just wanted to show you guys right here what it is that we had described, or that I have been describing here. So we did have this beautiful uptrend and we had a downtrend as well, and as you guys can see, letting the video play out, we discussed that this would pretty much be hitting not only our price floor, but our trend line, as well as our moving averages. We would consolidate inside of here, filling the gap and then breaking to the upside with the target as high as from our previous top resistance level. And you can see that's exactly what we described. So once again, filling in the gap right here and then breaking bullish to the upside here. That was the target level that we were looking for, and that's pretty much exactly what happened to the T. You can see clear as day here, we actually confirmed hitting the bottom support, consolidated a little bit inside here, confirmed closing the 4-hour above our downtrend right here, and since then had a beautiful break to the upside here. But more importantly, you can see we bought it here and you've been able to leverage this to the upside here, bouncing off this uptrend, this bottom support level, as well as the moving average and the price floor. You can see we've pretty much been trying to find the point of breakout here. This is the bottom support, this is the top resistance. You can see pretty much how high prices will probably and likely move to. This is about halfway complete, so we're still invested in this crypto here, and I do have the thought that we are probably going to be at least retesting the prior high here, and then we'll probably start to see consolidation. So we're about halfway. You have a target at about $1.27. We'll see how long this plays out. Maybe after bouncing off bottom support, it'll just consolidate like this and then head even higher up. That might be what happens there. It's what was expected. So we'll see if this continues, so on and so forth. But that's pretty much what we anticipated here. So guys, now that you know what the target is, being this top resistance here, and that we've already bought into this, we're just going to rally this up, leverage this to the upside, and continue to move our stop losses up. As you guys remember in the past, this is still a very dangerous zone here, and we're only playing around very quickly in this market as anticipation expectation for a potential dip is still very hot and prime on this market. Just referencing the prior time we retested and broke above this top downtrend right here, we shot all the way up, but we dumped very hard immediately after that all the way to the downside here. You can see how quickly we corrected like this is what I'm anticipating, or hopefully it doesn't happen, but I just have this thought that we could see a big drop in price here to the downside if the market lets us happen. So that's why we're just keeping our stop losses tight in case we decide to correct. Because as for those that are new to the channel here, we are still tracking a very large, symmetrical triangle within XRP right here. So we're still anticipating the possibility of seeing markets drop us down a point C. That's all I'm saying. That's all I wanted to reference with you guys here. Now, moving forward, I just want to set this back to the 4-hour charts here. You can see I want to look at Bitcoin right now. Or we'll jump to Ethereum, which is trading kind of odd. But you can see Ethereum, I've been trying to see whether or not I want to adjust these charts to incorporate these uptrends, these bottom supports here, because we are bouncing off them, using it as a means of support. Like, you could extend this out like this and then maybe move this like this. It's still a possibility. I mean, there are multiple retests. I think that's what I'll probably end up doing here. It's just odd because we don't necessarily use it as often as I had it before, but we are still using it as an uptrend. Regardless, that we are still in an ascending fractal here. We're still heading up higher. We have to tweak it just because I guess it looks okay for right now, and we are continuing to scale back higher. And if you're an aggressive trader, you can always buy in once we retest these bottom supports. They tend to break us bullish on numerous occasions. We retest the bottom here, and then we extend higher. Breakout, 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 break to the upside, break to the upside again. So we're looking once again for another correction to swing us back to the upside here. I just want to extend this out to show you guys what it is that we're looking at. So we are still in this ascending fractal here, and it seems like we're just going to continue to play this out. And, so be it. I'm not big on trading Ethereum right now, just because it's crazy how sporadic this coin is and just how bullish it is. It's just hard to predict what's going to come with this crypto. But for Bitcoin, this is a little different. Bitcoin on the 4-hour actually is trading out fairly well. As you guys can see, there's a really big pennant flag forming here. Beautiful break to the upside inside this support here. And since then, we've pretty much just been pinballing off the top resistance and bottom supports, continuously trading inside, and you can see volumes getting very tight. The original breakout had a lot of volume. This is the first run here. You could see even higher. First run had a lot of volume, a lot of potential. First swing was at a low of 54K all the way up to top, which is about a 22% run. And you can see then the break to the downside here was also very large too. From the top resistance to bottom support, it was 13%. Then we swung back up, and you can see that original run, the next one was 7, and you can see how they're slowly and surely becoming smaller and smaller and smaller. The next one was a break of 6.5, and then you can see we fell again to a level of 5.7, and it's continuous. Prices are slowly intertwining inside this pennant flag here. You can see the big strides it has is slowly but surely getting smaller and smaller and smaller until we complete the apex here and decide to either break bullish or bearish. As you guys know, we have to track the mouth of the opening. This is what we're looking at, very similar to what happened with XRP here, as XRP popped off. So we're looking for a similar thing to happen within Bitcoin, but on a bigger scale. XRP was on a 4-hour too, but you can see how much bigger Bitcoin is playing out. This took a long time to complete, since the beginning of October. So if we take maybe the top of the opening to the bottom support level here, this is about how big we could see a pop off happen. So from point of breakout, let's say we broke out right now, we could potentially see prices swing us above 72K, about $72,800 could be the next target run if this pennant flag decides to break bullish, which is exciting. Vice versa, if we broke bearish here, closing below the support, you can see this could swing us all the way back down to bottom support at 50K, pretty much at the target levels that we've anticipated. Either we break bearish to support or we break bullish to 72K. It's really hit or miss. As you guys know, I don't like to trade inside these sideways channels here. It's just very aggressive style of trading. If you're an aggressive trader, then go for it, trade inside of here. But for the beginner traders or for conservative traders, I don't like to trade inside of this. So I'm going to wait for this to complete itself here. But regardless, what we're looking for is not only a breach above these downtrends or above or below this uptrend here. We're looking for a breach either above this resistance or below the support. That's what we're looking at. This is a clear box. I don't like to trade inside this box. So even if we broke bullish here, I'm waiting for us to completely close the 4-hour above that resistance for me to want to buy in, anticipating the run to be completed. Vice versa, we close below here. I'm not buying in until we confirm breaking below it. because we could easily see it bounce off and then reverse. It's very possible. So I'm waiting for us to break through this, close below here, buy in, anticipating a short opportunity to the downside. That's what I'm expecting and anticipating. Cardano is still consolidating. Nothing much to update you guys. S&P 500 still, markets closed. Will have to update us, but I do anticipate a correction now because we are overbought on the daily. Otherwise, guys, I do want to finish up with Horizon Protocol as well as Richard. Definitely make sure to contact me, but let's jump into Horizon. I want to give a huge shout out to Horizon Protocol for sponsoring today's episode. Guys, as with any cryptocurrency project, please do your own research and never invest anything that you can't afford to lose. Now, guys, Horizon Protocol is a new DeFi platform that focuses on the creation and trading of synthetic assets. So what does that mean? Well, Horizon Protocol is a DeFi platform that offers everyone the opportunity to trade financial derivatives, better known as synthetic assets in crypto. And synthetic assets are basically a crypto asset that mimics the price of another asset using price feeds from oracles like Chainlink to track the price movement. Now, Horizon Protocol will allow for the trading of synthetic assets known as Z assets on the platform, and will be developing their exchange to include features such as shorting, futures, leverage trading, and portfolio management. Along with traditional and crypto assets, the Horizon exchange will also include baskets of assets and synthetic NFTs for a whole lot of options in how to play in the market. Now, guys, there is a huge opportunity with staking on Horizon Protocol, and the platform requires the staking of Horizon, the platform's native token, to serve as collateral to mint synthetic assets. And to incentivize the building of this pool of collateral in preparation for the launch of the exchange, Horizon Protocol is currently offering a very high APY of approximately 150% to stake. And by staking, you will mint ZUSD, a stablecoin pegged to US dollar. And this staking involves no impermanent loss and can be converted to other synthetic assets once the Horizon exchange launches before the end of the year. Now, the Horizon or HCN rewards come from the protocol's HCN monetary policy, and it is front-loaded, so the APY is high now, but it won't be the case forever. So the most important question now is going to be, is it safe? And here are a few things that I can note. Now, Horizon Protocol is forked from Synthetics or SNX, a decentralized synthetic asset issuance protocol built on the Ethereum blockchain. And Synthetics has grown to a market cap of $2 billion and is the biggest synthetic assets platform. And the biggest difference is that Horizon Protocol is built on the Binance Smart Chain, not Ethereum. And the BSC offers Horizon Protocol immediate solutions to scalability issues, eliminating slow transactions and high gas fees, so it makes a lot of sense for them. Now, to make sure there's no risk of bank runs or liquidity shortages, Horizon Protocol issues Z assets at a collateralization ratio or C ratio of 800%. For comparison, the weighted average of C ratios across from DeFi platforms such as Maker DAO and Compound V2 is around 350%, and a higher C ratio protects its investors by making sure the protocol can be stable in volatile crypto markets. Now, lastly, Horizon Protocol is on the journey to be a decentralized autonomous organization known as DAO, and Horizon holders will be able to participate in the network governance and improvements by voting for protocol parameters and Horizon improvement proposals. Now, overall, Horizon Protocol is a new DeFi platform for the creation and trading of synthetic assets, and the platform is built on the BSC, which gives faster transactions and cheaper fees. Users can stake Horizon on the Horizon platform to earn yield without impermanent loss, and right now there is an opportunity for staking at a high APY of 150%, and there is still a lot of room for Horizon to grow, with their exchange set to be released within 2 months. With the market cap currently under 10 million and Synthetics at 2 billion, there is a potential 200x possibility. So guys, for more information about their platform, and if you're interested in staking, please check out the links I provided in the description. Otherwise, huge shout out to Horizon Protocol for sponsoring today's episode. As always, make sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.